How to add links in image or logo in MS Word. Welcome to Softechia. Guys, in this video we are going to learn how can we add links in our image or logo in MS Word. First of all, open MS Word and insert image in which you want to add links. Here I have two images in my document of Facebook and WhatsApp. Now we have to add links in our both images. So right click on any image and we will get a drop down list. Here we have to look at below on link option. Click on link. Now you can see another small pop-up page here. Here it has already selected your image's location. So now look at below in address box and write or paste your links and click on OK below. Now same repeat for another image also as same step. Now we can successfully add links in both images. Now click Ctrl plus mouse click to open that website by clicking on image. Here it work proper. Let's check another image. It is also working properly. That's all. If you got this video informative, then like and subscribe this channel.